when we started that search, Lang kind of came to the top pretty quickly.
Man, oh man, are you guys lucky to be with me today, because I got my buddy Dwain with me and we are in North Carolina. Makes me want to try some barbecue here, but today it's not about barbecue, it is about Lang fixturing. And I'm at Concise Manufacturing. Now, I see a lot of machines here at Concise. I see a lot of work holding here at Concise, but the foundation of all of the work holding that's sitting on top, as I look around, is Lang. So my question to you, Dwain, is why Lang? Why was that the foundation? Why was that the original purchase? And why does it continue to grow as if you sprinkled water on a gremlin?
Well, Tony, back in the early days of the company, we were really struggling at how do we get new customers, how do we penetrate, how do we get known in this industry. And so one of the ways we really excelled at that was quick turnaround, rapid response, speed to market. And so as we get jobs in and we see those machines set up, and then we see other opportunities come along, we feel like that asset's basically held hostage until we finish out that job. So we started looking for ways that we could get parts on and off the machine, that we could run jobs like filler, reduce those costs, reduce those efforts. And so when we started that search, Lang kind of came to the top pretty quickly. And then as we started talking to them, we began to work with the team there. We found that the stock was really good. Almost anything we inquired about, they had it. They could get it to us. And really, we started with 2 base plates. We put one on a rotary, and we put another one on the table. And that initial investment allowed us to do some things, not only with speed and flexibility, that really changed us and our ability to deliver to our customers. And we were really pleased with the accuracy. We're able to look at this as a foundational element of what we do. It's really Legos or building blocks, if you think about it, right? And so we want something that's really going to work for the long haul. Lang, although we use a variety of tooling solutions, Lang is the foundation of all of it, and that's the investment that we've chosen to make time and time again. We look at this as a long-term investment. There's a hardened piece of steel, high precision, it's ground, it's going to last for a long time, and we really depend on that because it is a substantial investment. And so we want something that's going to stand the test of time, and we've seen that. We've repeatedly invested in it over and over again as that foundational base of which we can go so many different directions with tremendous flexibility to solve our problems on a day-to-day basis.
Very, very well said. For those of you who heard Dwain say foundation a few times, you're going to have to listen to the Concise Manufacturing Company's story as well, because foundation is important to Dwain and Concise. But for now, we're actually going to hop over to the factory floor and talk with Peyton about how they're utilizing Lang work holding to this day right now as the foundation of everything they do in their machines.